Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for LipMonthly. There was a couple little inserts on top, 40% off for Hikari Cosmetics. And this is the August 2020 bag. And it tells you a few of the items that you may receive. So I'll put that aside to reference in case any of our items are listed on there. So the first one is from Hikari. And it's cream pigment in the shade Glam. According to the card, it says it values at $15. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's real soft. And it's not as dark. I mean, you could probably definitely layer that and build on it. But very nice. Next item is from Estate, and it says it's lip icing. It's a really pretty color, and this is valued at $20. It's also listed on the card. It does have a sugary scent to it. It's a little sticky. I like that though. I know that a lot of people don't, but I like that in a lip gloss. It doesn't bother me. Two more items. This one doesn't have, oh there we go, Cargo. And this is also listed on the card. Essential lip gloss for $16. And then the shade is Stockholm. Very pale pink. That has like a classic lipstick smell to it. That's a little sticky as well. But they're pretty. And the last item, Cleo Noir. I assume this is an eyeliner. It's not on the card. But eyeliner or lip liner. I guess lip liner since we already got a different non-lip product. No, maybe an eyeliner. Okay. Yep. So, nice bag this month. Some neutral colors, something I feel like anybody would like. And yeah, if you'd like to sign up, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.